Welcome to iLecture Online. We're now ready to start on the next really big topic in geometry, which is the triangle. Well, what is a triangle? Simply said, a triangle is a geometric shape that has three sides and three interior angles. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 interior angles. Turns out there's a lot to be learned about triangles, so we'll have a lot of videos on this particular section. But starting out, we should understand some basic things about triangles. First of all, the sum of all the interior angles will always add up to 180 degrees, and that is always. There's no exception to that. So the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 would always add up to 180 degrees, regardless of the shape of the triangle. That's called the triangle sum theorem. Another really interesting aspect of triangles is realizing that we have three angles. So we use the letter A to indicate angles. We have three sides. We use the letter S for the three sides. And if any three are known, it doesn't matter what combination, with one exception. If you know all three angles, you do not know anything about the sides, because you have different size triangles that have the exact same angles but different lengths for the sides. So other than that, if you know all three sides, you can determine the three angles. If you know two sides and an angle, you can determine the other side and the other two angles. If you know one side and two angles, you can know the other two sides and the third angle. So you can determine what those are as long as you know at least three things about the triangle, which is also a very unique feature for a triangle. Except there's of course one exception to that. If you know all three angles, you know nothing about the sides and you can't determine them. So hold on to those pieces of information. We'll now delve into all the various aspects of triangles.